Hello developers, welcome in Knowledge Kida. Hope all of you are good. So in previous video we saw how to draw rectangle. In this video we will see how to draw line. So let's create one Python file cv underscore draw line .py. First task you know that import cv2. Opencv provides line function to draw lines. Lines require 2 points. Let's go and see what are parameters of line. First parameter is image. Second is first point. Then second point, that means ending point of line where we want. Then color. Another is thickness of line and line type. Then shape. So I explained this type of parameters in previous videos as well. So we'll not waste time for this, and let's go further. Let's read the image. img is equal to cv2 dot imread function. In that we will give path slash kk dot png. Then we will give function that cv2 dot line bracket, then img that we stored image, then first point which we want. So let's give any point, suppose 10 comma 10, and end point that let's give 50 comma 50. Then again color, you can give any color which you want. Then after that we will give thickness of line, let's give 20. Then using cv2 package we will show the image. I am show. First is label, let's give knowledge kida, and another is image which we want to display. Then cv2 dot wait key to keep image open, and then cv2 dot destroy all windows, that will destroy the window when we click any other key. Let's run the program. So python cv underscore draw line.py. Let's run. See, line is drawn. We'll give 200. Let's see. Let me change the thickness as well, 10. Let's see the line. So in this way we learn how to draw line on image. So thank you friends, let's meet in another video.